Yeah, man, well, you should know. This is Lukie D, representing for City Lock, Berlin's most wanted son. Mr. Paul, Ben E, Tommy Dalla, Ali Bling, Kian Tosh, Paco, and Fabi. Strike it! Cause, yeah, you know, City Lock, exclusive. Check it. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the sound and the dance that lock the whole place. Kill Sound Boys. City Lock, yeah. More, killing and killing and killing. Yeah, yeah. Murdering sound, yeah. Yeah, we don't play with Sound Boys, we cuff them like this. Check this. Lukie D for City Lock. I can tell you can search your box the whole night, boy, you can't find this. Listen, we lock down every city. Some boys know they will die. No song can give us problems. They couldn't touch us even if they tried. We play big anthem rhythms, only big dubs in our butts. If a sound crash your body, no one is bad like the City Lock. City Lock crew, we'll be killing sound until the break of dawn. I bet nobody ever told you that we'll be killing sound until the break of dawn. We'll be juggling and killing and winning and playing on. Yeah, oh, Sound Boy, better don't